That's so ridiculously good. Welcome to Snow Dog's Cooking, you guys. Today, we're making something a little bit different. Yes, it's an Instant Pot recipe. Yes, it's soup, because it's currently like 15 degrees outside with 35-mile-an-hour winds. Today, we are making Polish Dill Pickle Soup in the Instant Pot. Now, I know it sounds strange. Do not knock it until you try it. I had this for the first time a couple of years ago, and I am so excited to see if I can recreate the flavor that I had. It's delicious. If you like pickles, trust me. Let's jump into it. I wasn't kidding. They're literally right here below my feet. Oh, as always, we have our beautiful kitchen helpers ready to catch anything that falls on the floor. So we have gathered all of our ingredients, which, like I said, there's pickles, there's pickle juice, and there is my 6-quart Instant Pot. I don't think you'll eat pickles, but you could probably have a baby carrot. The first thing we're gonna do is peel and then dice 4 to 5 russet potatoes. All diced. Next, we will need 1 1/4 cup of chopped celery. It's gonna look like this. For reference, it's about 4 full stalks. Would you like to try some celery? Here first. That's celery. You're just gonna inhale it. Okay, all right. They both seem to like celery, and they're actually chewing it. That's a good thing. Next, you're gonna want about 1 1/4 cup of carrots. So with the carrots, you can either chop them. Baby carrots were on sale, so I bought those, and I'm actually going to shred my carrots. Ta-da! And yes, I used a salad shooter. Time for a carrot. 1 for you. 1 for you. They chewed those as well. And now it's time to chop some pickles. You are going to need about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of chopped or shredded pickles. There's all of our chopped up pickles. Now I am using the Dietz and Watson brand pickles because they're one of my favorite for flavor. And again, pickle juice is going in this as well. So just pick a pickle that you really like for this recipe. It will make a difference. All right, here's the test. Do you want a piece of pickle? Yep, you ate that. You want a piece of pickle? Yeah, I didn't think so. So now to our Instant Pot, we are going to add our chopped celery, then our carrots, our potatoes, 2 cloves of minced garlic, our pickles, 8 cups of chicken broth, and then 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. So there's a few things you want to note here. 1, if you're using really garlicky pickles, you probably don't have to add as much garlic because it can become very overpowering. And 2, don't add any salt, at least not until the end. Pickles are very salty and you don't want this to be overpowered. Okay, back to what we were doing. That's looking pretty good. Next, put your lid on. Make sure your vent is closed. Set your Instant Pot to manual for 5 minutes. So while the Instant Pot is doing its thing, we're gonna take 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/4 cup of flour, and we are going to whisk it together and then set it aside. Also, we are going to measure out about 1 cup of pickle juice. Now I know 1 cup of pickle juice, that seems like a lot of pickle juice. Don't worry, we're gonna add it in small increments to taste. You might want yours more pickly than I want mine. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna add the whole thing though. So when your timer goes off, don't vent it. Let it sit for another 10 minutes. When it hits 10 minutes, vent it. Well, this is looking beautiful. So now we're just gonna slowly stir in a little bit of pickle juice a little bit at a time. Pour some in, stir it up, and try it. Now we're gonna stir in the flour and whipping cream mixture slowly. We're gonna turn this on saute, bring it up to some bubbles, not for 30 minutes, just till it bubbles a little and the soup thickens. And that, my friends, is Polish Dill Pickle Soup in the Instant Pot. Oh my goodness! Okay, it smells so good. And I'm not even kidding, like it doesn't smell like pickles. It smells like a potato-y type of soup. Excuse me. Kira's like, I'll try it. All right, cheers, let's see. It's so ridiculously good. That's a win. I gotta take another bite. What does Dan say? I gotta take another bite before I make my decision? No, I made my decision on the first bite. That's so good. 100%. Try this. If you guys are interested in seeing some of our other videos, there'll be some links up here on the screen. If you try this, if you make this, take some photos, tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye. Oh my God, it's so good. You're missing out.